Okay, cool. So this is Iontas, my pupil.
Hello.
I was just really curious for you to just share a little bit about the practice that we do as soon as you get in the car, because I know when you first get in, there's a little bit of tension and nerves and stuff. So obviously the invitation I always make to you is, and I nearly forgot myself, didn't I? Because I was kind of in a bit of a hurry, and I said, oh, by the way, do you want to do a quick practice? And you typically say, yeah.
Calms you down a bit, definitely.
Calms you down a bit, yeah. What is it about that specifically that you think? How do you think it calms you down? What is it about?
I don't know. Ooh. Just maybe like the breathing, just in and out, just kind of like relaxes your body. So I'm not like seized up when I'm driving and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, absolutely. And I think definitely us noticing how we feel seems to impact on how we perform. Like just now when we were in the car park, and I was saying to you, just take your time. Yeah, definitely seems to make a difference.
Yeah.
Was mindfulness something that you were aware of before you came to the lessons? Had you heard of it before?
Yeah, my mum. Yeah.
So you had a little bit of an idea as to what it's about. Yeah, so quite sort of open-minded about it.
Yeah.
Cool. And is it just, this is just me being interested now, would mindfulness be something that you might utilise in other areas of life, do you reckon?
I do it to kind of get to sleep.
Do you?
Well, like that breathing in and out, and then your body soaking into the bed or whatever, seeping into bed. I don't know if that's mindfulness or...
Yeah. Oh, you find that helps you sleep?
Yeah.
Or any other sort of places?
No, not really.
No, not really. Yeah, that's cool. Well, thank you for sharing that. I'm glad that it's been helpful.
Yeah.
Cool. Cheers, Iontas.